I'm Tevin Lankon. I'm 20 years old. I'm a past pupil of Nalanda College, and right now I'm pursuing my degree at Monash University, Malaysia. Since I was small, I was very interested in sports. There was no particular motivation that I took to start badminton, but I had a very sporty family background. I started my badminton journey when I was in grade 6. I was a very late comer for badminton at that time, and no one really influenced me, but my parents supported me to pursue my career in badminton. I have been playing badminton for 7 years right now, and the most proud moment I had during my 7 year period was winning the under 15 divisional championship. I'm also interested in the field of aviation, so I joined my school club, and last year I was the secretary of my club. Badminton really changed my life actually. From being a really reckless and impatient kid, I really learned how to be patient and to take really good decisions at the right moment. And I also learned how to work as a team, which is the most important thing, as badminton is a team game. I don't really have a person that I admire in my sport, but I really do admire Kane Williamson, who is the New Zealand cricket captain. The reason I admire him is even though he lost the Cricket World Cup, he never came back as a defeated person. Even in intense situation, he always keeps cool and makes the best out of that moment. That really inspires me because badminton is also a game which really tests you to your limits. That's why I really admire Kane Williamson as a really good sportsman. The pandemic affected us in many different ways, especially for the ones who are doing sports. Not having access to gyms, sports centers really affected our physical fitness levels. But the most important thing is to carry out our physical fitness workouts at home. Just taking few minutes or 1 hour to do your daily routine which you carry in sports is really important. Badminton is currently a well-known sport in Sri Lanka. We had a couple of ranked players during our past decade. What I can say about badminton is it can be one of the best sports in Sri Lanka because of the young talent. There's a lot of young people who are really keen in joining badminton who will definitely become future stars. There are some promising signs of winning Olympic medals in badminton as well. The government should take more steps towards developing the sports because sports might help to get more international recognition towards the country. From my point of view, the main reason why the government is not showing adequate support is the people who are in charge might not have any idea about sports or any sort of a sports background. With the right guidance from the government and the sports council, sportsmen will also show much more interest in carry on the sports for future victories. Pursuing my degree and balancing it with my sport is a bit of a challenge, but it's a good challenge. So my current goal is to represent my university team and represent my university at an international level. One thing I really want to add is that everyone should do some kind of a sport. You don't really need to be good at it or always try to win. It's because what we learn from sport is much more than winning. You will get an opportunity to experience how to work hard towards a goal and push yourself more. I think it's a valuable thing that we learn from sports.